Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. Yours truly, Dex Media. I don't know, say, we're here on a vlog, another job, a vlog. We're here on a vlog at Blue Lagoon. And remember to hit the subscribe button. Okay, I don't know, so we almost reach 100 subs. Hope you enjoy the vlog today. Yeah man, big up on yourself.
Yeah, man.
If not draw weed, I go buy weed for me. I don't know what's on the book.
Nah, no weed, man.
No, but me have money, I give you buy weed. I want me to give money too. So me I work out of his stone.
Yeah guys, so these are our customer today.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Know the vibes. The island family in our building.
Yeah man.
Yesterday.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Oh yes sir, we have to walk sideways, my general. Alright. He's the tour guide today, people.
You go slow more fun.
Yeah. Oh, that means I need to take it off, man. My shoes, huh? Alright.
These are the Blue Lagoon villas for rent. Go like for $1,000 US for one night.
I beg your pardon?
When you come here in the Blue Lagoon, you can get a villa like for $1,000 US for one night. When you do so,
Yeah.
you get a chef, a butler, and a lady take care of the house, all inclusive.
Okay.
The first house at the front there is owned by the dealer of a cosmetic. Mr. Bowman live in Kingston. Second one, Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC the Meyer. The next one over here is construction.
Okay.
It's owned by Michael Lee.
Michael Leach. Yeah, the man, they're rich, NCV CEO. Wow. Oh. Eh. Look deep too.
Boy, look. Thumbnail.
Yeah guys, you can see Monkey Island from over there. X Media. Yeah, next Media. So we're gonna set up the equipment now.
Yeah.
And just on shoot.
Know the
Yeah.
vibes.
Alright.
You filming, sir?
Yeah.
You got one camera in there.
Oh, the water is rough, guys. It's swinging the raft all over the place. The Nikon.
Yeah, Nikon.
We have one
Yeah,
Nikon.
I'm using a Nikon D3300 and I'm using my 50mm lens today. Yeah.
We have a Nikon too, you know.
Okay, you have a Nikon too?
Yeah, but lower version, D5100.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know what camera would be good? The GX Canon
G7X.
G7X.
Yeah. Good for vlogging.
Are they waterproof? No.
Huh?
Waterproof? All set and ready now. Hi baby, look at the camera baby. One. Alright, that's one. Yeah guys, that look good. Oh, they look so far.
They're beautiful.
Oh,
yeah,
that's
definitely.
Yeah.
I love that.
I didn't edit it.
That's nice.
Alright.
Yeah. For sure, they're beautiful.
Hello. Hi.
How's
Yesterday on the Rio Grande.
Oh, wow.
But this is, I love how he made his raft.
Amazing.
Unique. I'm Dex Meader, Portland photographer.
Oh,
Yeah,
Portland photographer.
You,
Okay.
you can search for us on Instagram and YouTube. Dex Media. What? Oh, watch. Oh, gonna liquor. Oh, oh.
Look at the baby. Oh, this is magnificent how he made it.
So as you can see, we're out of the boat now. I'm even wet up my pants. Alright, so you want to take one on the swing song now?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna try one on the swing song. Alright, let me see. What I think I need to do? Let me see. Yeah, just fix around more.
Like just
Yeah, man. Hold on, pan her, see me. Hold on, pan her. Yeah, man. Yeah. Ogre like. You can put one on like make that on here come to her. Yeah. Oh, that no. Yeah, that no. Yeah. Put it around.
So she decided to do like a gift package for us to come on the raft and a photographer, so she hired him as well. Yeah. So
we're really grateful.
we're very grateful for her.
I missed it a while ago. What did you just say?
Okay, so our YouTube subscriber, her name's Janice.
Yeah.
She contacted you and the rafting guys so that she made a package for us. Yeah.
Okay, that's
because we
nice.
just got married 3 weeks ago.
Oh, congrats,
Yeah,
man.
thank you.
That's very nice.
Best of luck, peace.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright. Yeah. Where you say you're from again?
Vermont,
From where?
Vermont in the United States.
Okay. That's
Yes.
And this man here
Boxer.
worked 3 miles from my house in Vermont for
Okay.
17 years.
Whoa.
He's from Kingston, originally went to Vermont, worked there. I never knew him. We came here, met him the other day, and he starts talking about my hometown. It was the most amazing thing.
Yeah, that's good. Whoa. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
All right, here you go. No more photos? He's like, where's my Mr. Model? He loves taking photos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're off to the next location, people.
Next location.
Yeah, he said we're going to the mineral bath right now. Yeah, we're looking forward for that.
Yes.
Yeah. You see, you're tired, my G? Oh, you're used to it. I think when you're used to something, yeah. Come like nothing.
You can swap shifts if you want.
That's so easy. I know,
I
man.
know. I'd probably tip you all over.
Yeah, they got married the other day, people.
Yeah,
Yeah, beautiful couple. Yeah.
amazing, man. Yeah. Love my little family.
Okay, that's good, man. Yeah.
Daddy will have to grab going to it.
Cute boy.
Tell you. I need one of those floaty things so I've got the NGRs.
You know what? When I bought the GoPro.
Yeah, people, as you can see, we arrived to the next destination. So you know, it's a mad thing. Yeah, man. Dex Media outside, live and direct. You understand? Up. Yeah, perfect. Whoa. Yeah, thank you again. How was the experience?
It It was good. Thank you, Dex Media. Guys, go subscribe, like, and comment and share.
Yeah, man.
He's a really good photographer.
We enjoyed the
We
shoot
enjoyed
and everything, you see me?
It was good.
The vibe was right, you see me?
Yeah.
And Ireland enjoyed it too.
Island enjoy
Yeah,
it.
it was a bit of work, but we got it done, you know?
We got it done.
It was a good look, and that's the captain.
And big ups to
Yeah,
Dex.
man. Big up yourself, General.
Every
Up.
time.
Alright.